These characters are going to be based off The Simpsons. I'm using Lisa as a reference. The nose and eyes bulge out, so we're going to be drawing that first. It's also common for the mouth shaped to be pointing outwards. You've got to use some of the famous Simpsons features, as well as using features of your own to make it look more like you. In the corner, there's a digital version. You can add lots of extra things like eyelashes and necklaces and special clothes to make it represent you more. If you're happy with the sketch, you've got to erase it and leave a light layer. Next, we've got to fine line it. Remember to always draw the nose and eyes first. You can go over any mistakes if you want. Most of the time, the characters are facing to the left, so I would recommend using that as a reference. Erase any extra lines that might still be there, and I've got a colour. I usually use yellow because that's the famous Simpsons skin tone, but you can use a natural skin tone if you want. You can use the yellow for your hair if you want, or you can use your natural hair colour or a dyed hair. I hope you like my drawing.